this video, we'll quickly look at a demo on how to set up the branch security and manage the same in Azure repos. Going back to the repository, the demo repo which was created and the branches created here. Now, as I said previously, in Azure repos, we'll be able to control the permissions to a particular branch at a user level, group level, or at a organization level. So now I have the developed branch, and then I can go into branch security. This is where I can control access to a group, an Azure DevOps group, which is created at the organization level, say a project administrator, what are the permissions a project administrator would have, or what does the permissions of a build administrator would do. Basically, the CI/CD team members, what would they have, and what would be the permissions for different other groups. So these are the groups which are created at the org level, where multiple projects can use the groups to manage the permissions. We also can have the permission at a user level, where I can provide a particular user a permission. I can allow this user to bypass the policies when he's pushing the code, and I can deny the same, or right, and then I can also manage. I can allow this person to manage permissions for other users, other permissions. Remember that I'm doing all the settings for a particular branch, right? This is not for all the branches or all the repos. This for a particular branch. I can provide the security at a branch level, which is required. I can also go into project settings and repositories, and I can also set the permissions at the repository level, wherein for all the repositories in this project, what are the settings, what are the security that are allowed for these groups and users. So the hierarchy remains, wherein the permissions at the branch level override any other permissions, and permissions at the repository level override the permissions at the global, which is what we're doing here. So anytime the settings, the security settings of the branch override any other settings that are provided at org level or the team level. So this is where you can configure the security for a branch, and what are the actions or permissions the user can perform on a particular branch or on the repository.